What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's doing well. Today is Tuesday, March 1st already. Apparently, it's National Women's Month, so congratulations to you guys. I'm sure my wife is actually appreciative of that. But, anyways, in this video, I want to share the top 5 questions that I get from new agency owners. And I made a list on my phone, and I'm going to read them off and then answer them accordingly. So, the first question I have: how does a digital marketing process work? Okay. So the cool part is I actually have a cool little outline that I can share with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up right now as I'm talking to you all. So 1 second. I bring this document up all the time for my students, and it was really helpful for them. And I'm going to share the same deal with you guys. So cool. We got the document getting open. I'm going to share my screen in 1 second. And by the way, guys, before I do share my screen, I want you guys to know that the thing is, you guys need to understand that there's different services in the marketing industry. Okay. The one I'm going to describe here is, as far as the digital marketing process and how it works, is specifically for booking appointments and lead generation. Okay. There's different types of services like SEO. And then when you're doing ads, you can do e-commerce, lead generation, and so many other strategies, guys. So let me go ahead and share at least the lead generation portion. And this is my marketing support Facebook ads curriculum that I share with my students and that they go through. And it's fairly simple. So as you can see here, the Facebook ad, Instagram ad as an example, they click a button on the ad. Then they go to a landing page to qualify themselves. And then they go to a thank you page after they complete the form. And then after they complete the form, when they either um, submit in the qualification process or on the thank you page, they're going to receive email notifications, texting notifications, and they'll also have, custom API CRM integrations like Go High Level is an example where you can create a landing page and you can basically integrate, bring multiple marketing campaigns from a texting format or email format together to help follow up with your clients. Also, you may know that you can retarget people on Facebook and Google and YouTube and Instagram and all these other platforms as well with certain ads. And that way, you're able to create these things called custom audiences. Which let me bring clarity to what a custom audience is. On Facebook, for example, in the audience section, you're able to create specific people who are doing custom audiences. So when someone views your page, you can literally create a custom audience for people who actually view that page. Whoever did a specific action on a page, you can create an audience for that. And that's what's happening here, is that it's feeding that audience for forum viewers and audience for leads and even audiences for booked appointments. Okay, guys, so that's how the process works. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Just want to share that. The next question I had was, what should be my main focus when starting out an agency? So the first thing I want you guys to understand is that in my perspective, I worked with Douglas James. All right, I bought his course, 6 or 7 years ago. Bought Tai Lopez's SMMA course, and so that's what I did first. I learned a skill, and then when I learned a skill, whether it was selling or digital marketing. Typically, these are the two ones that I would focus on at least first. So that way you can present to people on how the whole process works and you understand more about how the marketing side works. But if you don't know any of those things, it's important to learn sales and then delegate the rest. That is what I would say. And also, you need to also understand that, you know, when you're first starting out, after you've learned that skill, what you need to focus on next is simply setting up appointments and closing appointments. So generating leads, getting people to talk to about your services. So again, let me recap that. What should be my main focus when starting out in an agency? It's first learning a skill in that business, so marketing and how to sell marketing, and then setting appointments and closing appointments. That's the main thing. So let's move on to question number 3. So, what if I don't know how to use the up to date technology? Well, here's the thing. I'm going to reference Go High Level again. Go High Level is an amazing software. It's all in one sales and marketing platform. And the other cool part about it as well is they have great how to courses, but they also have a Go High Level job network. So that way you can network with other people who do know the up to date technology. And you can do this On Facebook, by the way, this is where the group is held, and you're going to be able to find people, or those people will know people in order to help you out with the technology itself, whether it's hiring them, spending money on consulting. Long story short, guys, the resources are out there, even on YouTube. No matter what, there's resources out there for you to learn, and also people for you to work with if you don't know the technology. So that's what I would do if I didn't know any of the technology up to date. All right. So what are the main automations I should have in my agency? So this is very actually kind of advanced to a degree. People I've coached their engineers, sometimes they're even doctors, and sometimes, they're just your stay-at-home mom looking to do better, Um, not that there's anything wrong with that, but anyways, long story short, different types of people. And automations help you save time. They're workflows that do certain tasks, so that way you don't have to do them manually. And here are some ones I would recommend. Creating an onboarding automation is one. I would also create ways to send your leads into this platform I call Slack for all communication for your appointments. There's to book appointments so they get notified immediately. So lots of different types of notifications I would say that are important. So when an appointment is booked, when a new lead generated, when a sale's closed, and when someone's ready for onboarding, those automations as far as communication goes is amazing for Slack and using Zapier. Another thing, lastly, I would say is at the end of the day, when you close a deal, if you can automate the process of sending contracts out and sending invoices out, I think that would really help you out as well. And then at the same time, any type of courses or group invites you need to send out, if those can be automated as well with a simple text or email, that's going to be helpful as well. All right. So those are super amazing if you can do all of those. Last and final question. When should I hire a VA and what should they be doing? Okay. First off, as soon as possible. Okay. When you close your first deal, is what I recommend. So you can use that money to bootstrap to hire a VA. What that's going to do, that VA is going to do is two things: do lots of cold outreach on social media and email, even, and booking appointments. Remember, when you're starting out, all you need to focus on is setting appointments and closing appointments. And what you can do with that VA from the beginning is teach them the basics. And once they know the basics, you can upgrade them to different types of leadership within your business. Now, guys, I hope this video helped you out. This was the top 5 questions that I get in regards to helping you guys as an agency scale. All right. Now, what I want you guys to do, I have a free gift for you guys. If you want to go ahead and click the link in the description, you can do 3 things. First thing is, if you don't have a marketing agency, my mentor Douglas James has a VIP agency open and is taking applicants. So I'm going to put the link down there for you to apply there. However, if you want a free mini course to hire and manage teams, I created a quick 45-minute course that is on there, and you have to give me some feedback because I don't know if it was rushed or not, or if it provides exactly everything that you guys need. But I feel like I did create some lots of value in that free mini course. It's 45 minutes long. You can watch a video a day. The whole week you'll get it done. It's that short. Okay, guys, it's very awesome. Grab my mini course. It'll be the link below, the Douglas James VIP agency link. And then thirdly, if you're already a marketing agency who is hitting at least 25K per month, I want to help you scale from 25K to 85 to 100K by helping you build out systems and perfecting them. All right, guys. So anyways, that'll be the third link. All right. At the end of the day, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the top 5 questions, and be sure to click the description to grab your free mini course, your free training to scale your existing agency if you have one. If you don't have one, you're going to have Douglas James's applicant opportunity for you to get a whole agency built for you. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next training. Thank you so much for watching.